Ever wonder if your online store's payment setup could be putting your customers at risk? A single outdated login or weak integration can open the door to fraud without you even realizing it. Here's how you can spot potential security risk manually. Make a sheet listing all your payment gateways, logins, and integration points. Mark each as verified, needs update, or unverified. It gives you a clear snapshot of where vulnerabilities might exist. But manually tracking these connections does not prevent risk from happening in real time. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They provide secure integrations with most shopping carts and apps, reducing the chance of weak points or outdated tools compromising your store. Plus, their FAQ on what types of security measures are used in e-commerce credit card processing explains exactly how your payment gateways and integrations stay secure, giving you confidence that every transaction is protected. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their secure integrations and clear payment processing make managing your store simpler and safer. Don't leave your payment setup to chance. With EasyPay Direct, you get secure, reliable integrations and peace of mind for every transaction. Click the link in the description to get started today.